Hello everyone, welcome to Findtrader's today FAQ live room. I'm the host Laura. We meet again. How was everyone's trading this week? You can chat together in the comments, and according to our previous live stream process, you can enter the question you want to ask in the comments, and we will answer your question at the end of the live stream. So in order to express our gratitude to the traders who have always supported Findtrader and the friends who are watching our live stream, we have required 2 rounds of heavy lotters for this live stream. So the first 100k legendary account will be drawn 30 minutes after the start of the stream, and the second one will be drawn at the end of the live stream. So the way to participate is very simple. You just need to send registered email address in the comment area and comment. We will randomly draw under neutralizations to ensure fairness and transparency. Okay, now we're officially entering the main part of our live stream. Today's live stream has 3 major parts. First is witness the highlights of newly qualified traders. Second is an in-depth explanation of our legendary account. Third, real-time answers to your questions in the comment section. So please leave a comment and don't forget to send us your email address. We'll be giving away prizes in the comment section. Okay, first of all, congratulations to our traders who has achieved real trading this week. Among them, we are honored to have traders Abdul for Nigeria. He is a dedicated long-term trader who completed the first stage of the legendary account on our platform and received a funded account with 20,000 USDT. So we previously conducted a detailed trading interview with him, and you can watch his breakthrough strategy on your YouTube channel. If you would like to learn more about his specific trading data, please contact customer service in our community to receive a trading analysis report for all successful traders. So we also look forward to having more traders willing to meet with us for interview in this future. So, okay. Hello, Abdul. How are you? Can you hear me, Abdul? Hi, Abdul. Can you hear me? Abdul, how are you? Can you hear me? Sorry, okay. And let's continue with our live stream. And after Abdul come into the live stream, we will continue to contact with him. Okay, so I'm sure many traders. Hi, Abdul, can you hear me?
Hi, I can hear you.
Hi, how are you? So,
Fine.
so before we dive into your trading journey and your plans for the next step, why don't you start by introducing yourself to everyone watching, especially for those who don't know you yet?
Hi.
So,
Um, First of all, I want you to tell me thank the Findtrader team for giving me this opportunity to trade with them and trusting me with a funded account. I pray may God bless the company and grant the team more success and growth. Uh, I am Shakullah Abdul, a bit trader focused on both forex and crypto. I started trading in 2022 with crypto. Then I moved to forex in 2023, where I learned the basic of technical analysis. In 2024, I was introduced to smart money concept thinking. So that was when things started to change. I began journaling, backtesting, and reading with structure. Over time, I became consistent and profitable. Now I trade both forex and crypto. I think that's all.
okay, so the first question is like in a previous interview, you mentioned that you initially tried crypto trading, right? But lacked experience at the time. So later, after building a solid foundation in forex trading under your mentor, you returned to crypto trading. So what attracts you to the crypto market? So how is it different from forex?
Mhm. I think nothing different. I when I switched to forex trading and I learned um,
Mm-hmm.
the basic knowledge for technical analysis. So I was getting I still focus on forex until my friend introduced me to SMC strategy. So that was when I view crypto trading and forex trading as the same thing. So that's it. Hello, can you hear me?
So
Hello.
based on your trading and trading experience record, we found that your favorite trading currency is SOL. So can you share why? Like, how do you determine whether a currency pair like is worth trading or like researching? What's the reason?
Okay, like I said before, I I find Solana more easy to analyze, and it's uh, it's mostly um, it mostly go with my setup. Like it respects my setup most. So that's why
I see.
I choose Solana as my chain.
I see that. Do you think Findtrader's rules and dashboard design supported your trading style? Like in what specific ways?
Can you please repeat?
Are you there, Abdul?
Yes, I'm there. I'm here. I said I can't hear you clearly.
Okay, you can hear me. So, I mean, do you think Findtrader's annual rules or dashboards supports your trading style? In what specific ways? Can you hear me?
Hello? No, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me, or is there something wrong with your
Yeah.
network or something?
You said friends with a dashboard or something.
Yeah, I said like, do you think like in Findtrader's rules or dashboards designed support your trading style? In what specific ways?
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Let me say the 2% daily profit rule.
Mhm.
So I think it's made me uh, consistent with my trading.
Okay, so you're currently using the smart money concept strategy. So can you briefly explain its core idea and like why do you feel it works especially well in a crypto market?
Okay. You know, uh, smart money concept uh, is based on liquidity shift and entry from key level. So where the big boys are in the market. So as a retail trader, you have to do exactly what the big boys are doing if you want to be successful. So
Mhm.
that was so that was why I think smart money concept is the best.
Okay, so as someone who has passed phase one, what particular advice would you give to those still working to complete their challenge?
Okay. For new traders, um, my advice is if you are just starting your trading journey or going through a challenge, I would like to share a few lessons that really changed the game for me. Um, for one is stick to one strategy. Don't try to master everything at once. Focus on one strategy and be good at it. And avoid jumping from one method to another. Uh, so it is tempting to try new things every week, especially after a loss. But consistency is what builds results, not complexity.
Yeah, consistency as well.
Secondly, study your losses. Wins are great, but losses teach the most. Take your time to review your trades and learn from what was wrong.
Mhm.
Uh, so then only use what you can afford to do. Protect your capital. Never put yourself under emotional or financial pressure because of over. And lastly, be patient. Profit does not come overnight. It takes time, discipline, and emotional control. Keep showing and finding your edge. If you're still finding your way, that is okay. Every successful trader started on slow, just okay. So take it one step at a time with discipline and focus. Progress will surely come. That's my advice.
Okay, that's awesome. So what has impressed you to the most about the Findtrader platform?
I can hear you.
What has impressed you?
Okay. Uh, Let me say the free account. The free account. I was so impressed by it. Free account.
Oh, like if you were to recommend us to other traders, which feature would you highlight on Findtrader's platform?
Can you repeat?
I mean, like if you were to recommend to other users, other traders, which feature would you highlight?
Okay. The first one is um the free account. As you said, because that's the first one. And then uh the rules. Because if someone can pass this challenge by following the rules, I'm very sure the person will be a good trader because the rules teach someone to be consistent in trading.
Okay. Thank you again, Abdul, for coming. And let's continue with our live stream today. So I'm sure many traders will be interested in the account type he achieved. So he's trading our 100,000 legendary account. Our paid account have always had a profit target of 20% and making them more achievable and easier for trading to achieve. So since everyone is interested in legend accounts, I'd like to provide a detailed introduction to our paid legend accounts. So I'd like to discuss why we created a legendary account series. We designed it because we understand that true professional traders rely not on luck, but on the consistency strategy, strict risk management, and like long-term patience. So therefore, we designed it for traders. Okay, so users can start sending your email accounts and in the comment area, and we will start the lottery in 5 minutes. So you can comment and sending your email account. So I'd like to discuss why we created the Legendary Account series. We designed it because we understand that true professional traders rely not on luck, but on the consistent strategy and strict risk management. And long-term patience. So therefore, we designed it for traders who have the patience and desire the opportunity to challenge themselves with a large account, willing to invest the time and validate their skills over multiple trading days. So our account size range from 100,000 to 10,000, which is larger than other platforms, meaning you will earn high returns. So guys, you can send your email address, email account in the comment. And after 3 minutes, we will have So traders' familiarity with our platform rules should know that all account type on our platform have a two-stage challenge. We'd like to explain why we designed this two-stage challenge. And in the crypto market, we've seen countless traders achieving short-lived success and some relying on luck to double their profits in a single day. So only to see their positions wiped out a week later. So true professional trading is a continuous art for survival. It requires strategy stability, disciplined risk management, and most importantly, the ability to maintain patience in volatile markets. And all right, guys, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the lucky draw. So 3, 2, 1. And congratulations for being selected. So please contact us. So congratulations for Fork JFOREX926 gmail.com for being selected. So please contact us on Discord after the live stream ends. So traders familiar with our platform rules should know that all account type on our platform have a two-stage challenge. We'd like to explain why we designed this two-stage challenge. In the crypto market, we've seen countless traders achieve the short-lived success. Some are relying on luck to double their profits in a single day, but only after a week, their positions wiped out. So true professional trading is a continuous art for survival. It's like it requires strategic stability, disciplined risk management, and most importantly, the ability to maintain patience in volatile market. And the legendary count isn't a gamble, but a rigorous system for verifying your abilities. So we deliberately designed a two-stage challenge because we will learn that short-term profits can be accidental, but sustained profits, access multiple cycle, are the real deal. So the Findtrader challenge. The Findtrader challenge phase is the first step in the evaluation process requiring traders to achieve the established evaluation goals within at least 10 trading days. It aims to help you develop trading habits and force you to break out of the betting on a single bet mentally. Like 20% profit target plus 6% dynamic drawdown. Focus on the ability to balance sustainable proficiency and risk control. So the verification phase is the second step in the evaluation process. And it's requiring traders to achieve the corresponding goals within at least 5 trading days. So the trading goal is the verification phase are simpler than those in the Findtrader challenge phase. So with the profit target reduced by half, why is it simpler? Because we know that traders who have gone through the test of the first phase have proven the efficiency of the strategy. So the core of the second phase is, can you remain absolutely cautious when amplifying funds? The lower profit requirements are preciously to encourage you to proceed steadily. So after all, the volatility tolerance of large accounts with funds of over 100,000 is completely different. And next, we would like to analyze the details, the two most important rules of the legendary account, which are also the most frequently asked question by traders. So the first is the 2% daily effective rule. The mechanism is designed to encourage traders to develop long-term and stable profit strategies and good trading habits. Once the trader achieved a 2% daily profit, amount will be released, and the mechanism helps traders avoid excessive speculation and avoid ignoring potential risk in pursuit for short-term high returns. It can encourage traders to develop a steady, sustainable trading style and achieve long-term profitability through trading skills and strategies. So once you achieve your 2% daily target using an evaluation account, further profits will be ineffective, effectively discouraging excessive daily trading. So to be honest, to ensure stable trading and manage risk during the challenge points you can contribute to each valid trading day are capped at 2% of your initial deposit, regardless of your actual daily profit. So this means that if your daily profit is within 2%, your actual profit will be used to calculate your challenge points. But however, if your profit exceeds 2%, only 2% will be counted. So the excess will not be included in your challenge points, but will remain in your account balance and not be deducted. So therefore, once your daily profit reaches 2%, it is recommended that you have to stop trading to avoid taking unnecessary risk and continue trading on the text valid trading day. So the 2% profit mentioned here is based on your initial deposit, not your current account balance. Like for example, if you initially deposit is 100,000 USDT, so your account balance, so your maximum daily effective profit is around like 2,000 USDT. After several days of trading, your current account balance will reach 110,000 USDT. So at this point, your maximum daily effective profits will still be 2,000 USDT, regardless of your current balance. So the maximum daily profit will be calculated based on the base 100,000 USDT. So there's another important point about these rules is that if you hold a position across multiple trading days, as long as each day is a valid trading day with a profit. So each day's profit will be counted towards your challenge score, but again, kept at 2%. So this setting can help traders plan their pace and gradually achieve their challenge goals, which also ensuring a steady accumulation of profits and reducing the risk of the margin call. So we set a 6% dynamic drawdown limit to highlight traders' ability to manage drawdown. This limit ensures that traders will pursuing returns and maintain a healthy awareness of risk and employ appropriate risk management technique and to avoid significant capital losses due to excessive risk taking. So thereby ensuring trading stability and sustainability. So And after we're talking about this, the next is about dynamic drawdown, refers to the maximum percentage decline from an account's historical highest equity value, also known as the peak, so to its current equity. It is a key risk control metric used to evaluate the extent of potential losses in a trading account. Unlike a fixed threshold, dynamic drawdown is calculated in real time and continuously update as the account evolves. So each time the account reached a new equity high, the point becomes the new reference for future drawdown calculations. So this is known as resetting the calculation baseline. On our platform, the maximum allowed dynamic drawdown is 6%. So it means that if the current equity falls by 6% or more from the historical peak, the risk control system will be triggered and the account may be locked or restrict from further trading. So for example, if your account equity rises from 100,000 USDT to 110,000 USDT, it's within 110,000 USDT now considered as peak and later drop to 103,400 USDT due to market volatility or trading losses. So the drawdown is calculated as 6%. This exactly hits the platform's dynamic drawdown limits, at which point your account will be flagged as high risk and subjected to risk control actions. It's important to note that dynamic drawdown includes both realized and unrealized losses. So open trades that are the floating loss will also reduce your net equity and impact the drawdown calculation in real time. So traders should closely monitor their equity change and manage risk carefully to avoid triggering the system and interrupting their challenge progress. So this concludes our platforms of the legendary counts in this issue. We'd rather you earn less by following the rules than lose everything by breaking them. This is our true protection for traders. So do you feel more understood now? So if you still have questions about our legend account rules, so please you can share them in the comments. So if you're a professional trader who looking to profit from large sums of money, the legend account is your best option. Of course, as a token of our gratitude, Findtrader is offering a discount promotion. So users who wish to purchase can enter Findtrader when paying on the official website to receive a 10% discount. So note limited credit quality, only the first 100 users. So through mandatory risk management, we help you develop the following professional habits and automatically reduce risk exposure after profits, improve your sensitivity to profit drawdowns to the level of a professional trader, and learn on allocate daily trading value using a risk budget. So we would rather you earn less by following the rules than lose everything by breaking them. And this is our true protection. And last week, we launched our new free accounts and we've been incredibly enthusiastic about them. Since then, we've received a lot of positive feedback from users, and many people have commented like this version is so user friendly, challenges are more challenging, and I finally have a chance to pass. So, but at the same time, you all have a lot of questions. For example, last week, a user asked whether we would pay, and we provide a simple response. Thank you for questioning our capability. It demonstrates your interests and understanding of us. So we are a company. We're a company who have like 6 years of investment experience. So our previous investment focus was cultivating professionally traders and connecting them with large investors. So, since launching our Findtrader Proof Firm platform in 2024, our goal has been to lower the barrier to entry in the crypto markets and help more traders achieve profitability. So, our sponsored account user, the OKX exchange, and the user who have successfully completed the process will use our corporate account at OKX to conduct real-time trading. So in the first half of 2025, within 6 months, our sponsored traders cumulative trading volume in our institutional account exceed 1 million USDT. So therefore, there is no need to worry. So okay, since everyone has a lot of questions about our new free account, I would like to introduce our new free accounts again for new and old friends who want to learn about Findtrader on various platforms. So if you are new here or did you fully understand it last time, you can listen again. Then we will have a live Q&A. If you have any questions, please ask directly in the chat room and I will answer them. So if you need more detailed information, our team will contact you. If you missed the reply message, I will repeat it again to ensure that the question is answered. So next, let's dive into the biggest headline. As I mentioned before, we've lowered the profit target from 25% to 20%. So I know this might sound like a little small tweak, but it's a huge step towards making the challenge more achievable and helping you get closer to a live account with profit sharing. So to give you a sense of why this matters, we've seen plenty of traders hit over 20%, but missed the old 25% goal. So now those same results would get them over the finish line. So adjust starting capital. Short-term accounts now start at 3,000 USDT, while legend accounts start at 10,000 USDT. More individual traders begin with capital ranging from a few thousand to 10,000 USDT or 20,000 USDT. 3,000 USDT and 10,000 USDT accounts repeats this typical range. 3,000 USDT account force you to focus on the most essential trading skills: strict risk control, precise position management, calm emotional control, and different opportunities capture. Successfully navigating the small scale environment, meaning you've mastered the fundamental skill needed to survive and thrive in the real market over a long term. So once you prove you can consistently serve and grow honestly in a 3,000 account, and 10,000 account, legendary account will serve as a starting point for implementing more sophisticated strategies and pursuing strategies grows. So both accounts type now after a full 3 months to complete the challenge, giving you more time to demonstrate consistent long-term performance. So after successful completing the challenge, you will need to complete KYC on our platform and receive access to our funded accounts. And so profits from this account will be paid out every 2 weeks. If you failed the challenge, you can free reset attempts. In last week's live stream, we detailed how we offer 3 reset attempts for free account to help new user have a better trading experience. Contact community support for detailed reset instructions. So that's it for our in-depth look at the new free account and on our platform. So now onto our Q&A session. Raise your questions in the chat and let's discuss. So there's some questions. Someone asks, how many accounts can I create? So the answer is each user can have one master account, like required for management, and multiple paid accounts, unlimited with different types available for purchase. You can own as many paid accounts as you need, but with options for various account types. For details on account types and purchase, visit our account plans page or contact support. And there's another question is, can the true percentage rule be removed from the challenge account? So the answer is the true percentage profit limit serves as a key metric to evaluate the stability of a trader's strategy. So this rule will remain in place for challenge accounts. And there's another question asks, like, are exciting users who have breached their accounts eligible for the new type of free accounts? The answer is yes. All users, including those with prior account breached, are eligible to apply for the new free account option. So to get started, please contact our customer support team for assistance with your account setup. And the first question is, if I earn more than 2% in a single trading day during the challenge, will only 2% count towards my target? Does the rule also apply in the funded phase? Okay, the answer is during the evaluation challenge, we kept the daily profit contributes at 2% to promote steady, sustainable trading. And any gains beyond this limit will still show in your account, but won't count towards your profit target. So once you're funded, this restriction is removed. You keep 100% of your profits after the agreed profit split with no daily limit. And is there a maximum number of trading days allowed? No, sir, there's no limit on the maximum number of trading days. You can trade as long as you want, as long as you follow the rules and avoid triggering any violations. And how do I calculate the dollar amount I'm risking per trade with a stop loss? Okay, you can calculate your risk per trade using this simple formula. And the payout is paid every 2 weeks for the profit you made within these 2 weeks. And it takes another 7 days to withdraw money after you applied. So the day when you placed your first trade after 14 days, you can request payout in free account, and for paid account, you can request payout after 7 days. So if I get the account and if pass, I will fund it or nothing. You will surely get funded if you pass the challenge phase. Funded means when you pass the challenge phase, you get live account, and after getting live account, you can request payouts all. And the new free account is there a daily profit cap, or the rule was removed. The rules still remain the same, sir. The only difference is the profit target, which is now 20% and 10 USDT respectively. So that's it. That's our Q&A. And if you have any questions, you can comment in below. Our staff will answer you. So for paid legend accounts, the profit ratio mentioned is 6:4. Does it mean 60% for the trader? Yes, legendary paid account traders can get 60% profit share. So the next question is, I already reset my account since new update now. How many times I can reset my free account? Okay, so the answer is the free account can be reset 3 times in total, and you still have 2 chances to reset. And what will make person reset his account? Okay, so the answer is if you violate the rules in the transaction to trigger risk control, your challenge will fail. So therefore, it needed to be reset. I do funded account trade on OKX trading exchange because she made mention of in the video. Okay, so after you complete the challenge, you will get our funding account. And our funding account is on the OKX exchange, and all the funds are real, so you don't have to worry. And what about the 30 days, max trading days? Need more explanation on it too? Okay, the answer is because we only record 2% of the effective profit every day. So it takes 10 days, at least 10 days, to complete the legendary transaction at the earliest. So, all right, guys, it's another time to the lucky draw, and 3, 2, 1. You can comment in the below and send your email account. So someone asks, is there a maximum number of trading days allows? So the answer is no. There is no limit on the maximum number of trading days. So you can trade as long as you follow the rules and avoid triggering any violations. And next is, if I get the account and if I pass, I will fund it or nothing. So you don't have to worry, sir. You will surely get funded if you pass the challenge. And funded means when you pass the challenge phase, you get live account. And after getting live account, you can request payout all. If you have any problems, any questions, comment in below. Which one? So congratulations to ANAS Big, whose email is anasrabiu147@gmail.com. So please contact us on Discord after the live stream ends. Congratulations again. So if there's no any questions, no problems, this is the end of the live stream. So I wish you all a good weekend. Bye-bye.